If you're looking to get some new chicks, I'm going to tell you the lessons that I learned my first round and why this chick feeder and water is a better solution than what I initially got. The company was kind enough to gift this set to me so I could share my thoughts about the differences between a chick feeder and a full-size feeder. There's lots of different things that I really like about this set. Number one is the smaller size. If you have your chicks in a small brooder, then you don't want to get a full-size feeder and waterer because it's going to take up a lot of room. These are about half the size, so they take up a lot less space. The second thing that I really love about them is they have adjustable legs. So there's 3 different heights on the waterer and the feeder. You can have them flat like this with no legs, and then you can easily just pull out the legs and they're higher as the chicks get bigger. Keeping them higher means less bedding in their water. The legs do have 2 different adjustments, so this is the mid height, and then you can also pull down this and make them even taller. For the feeder, the things that I really like about this feeder is, first off, it has a lid. You don't have to worry about anything getting inside of there. It also has this cover here, so the chicks can reach inside there and get the food out, but it also helps eliminate getting bedding inside the feeder. Also, same goes with the feeder. It has adjustable legs, so it has 3 different heights on here. Another cool thing about this set is it comes with a scoop. So this is really good for dishing out your feed and putting it into the container. This set has been really great for my chicks. They really like it. It's super easy to use, easy to clean, really lightweight, and I would definitely recommend this if you're looking to get started with chicks.